You're not seeing this, but right now sunlight is already on its way. If the sun vanished, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes and 27 seconds. And when those 8 minutes are over, everything changes. Light and information takes about 8 minutes and 27 seconds to reach us from the sun. That means the moment the sun goes dark, we keep seeing sunlight for those 8+ minutes. We keep living like normal until the delay runs out. After 8:27, the lights go out. The sky turns black. Day becomes night faster than you can blink. Streetlights, satellites, the planet goes dark. Most electric grids and satellites don't fail instantly, but grid stability would be stressed. Airplanes keep flying, but pilots lose visual cues. Traffic lights go off. The modern world suddenly leans heavily on emergency systems. Temperatures don't collapse in minutes. The Earth's surface would cool, but not instantly. In the first day, the drop is noticeable near the poles. In weeks and months, it becomes severe. Still, 8 minutes of darkness does not equal instant freezing, but it starts a chain. Most life doesn't die in 8 minutes, but photosynthesis stops immediately with no sunlight. On land, crops pause. In oceans, microscopic plankton stop producing oxygen and food for the food chain. Over days and weeks, that pause becomes a big problem for ecosystems. For a moment, the daytime sky reveals the universe, stars and planets burned into view. But this beauty is a warning. Without the sun's energy, the environment will change dramatically. In the hours and days after, human systems face real stress. Fuel and food distribution depends on electricity. Hospitals run on backup power. Heating in cold places becomes critical. Panic buying and local shortages would hit fast. Ocean and atmospheric currents are driven by heat differences and the Coriolis effect. They won't stop in a second. Changes appear over days and weeks. Weather patterns would destabilize. Storm tracks shift. Coastal areas see altered tides and time. Over months, the average global temperature would fall. Growing seasons shorten. Ice advances from the poles. Food systems strain. Humanity would adapt, relocating, rationing, and changing agriculture. But many regions would become far less habitable. Short-term social order is fragile. Some places will organize quickly, hospitals, communities, governments. Others will struggle. Information becomes vital. Knowing the sun is still there, but dark, reduces panic. Global communication matters, and then, after 8 minutes 27 seconds, light returns. The sun is back. Most immediate systems recover. Power comes back. The worst panic subsides. 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Not enough to end life instantly, but enough to remind us how fragile our systems are. The sun powers climate, food, and civilization itself. Lose that energy even for a moment, and the world we know starts to change. So next time you see the sun, remember, light is not instant, it's time.